Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to start Lincoln MKZ with key full guide. Start by checking the key fob battery and steering lock, then confirm the car is in park or neutral and the brake pedal is pressed. If the engine does not crank, try using the mechanical key in the driver door to unlock and then insert the key into the ignition area while holding the brake firmly. If the MKZ still won't start, isolate the issue by testing electrical components and connections calmly. Use a multimeter to check battery voltage and fuel pump relay operation, and scan for stored fault codes if possible. Be methodical. Swap suspected fuses, try a known good key fob, and gently rock the steering wheel while attempting to start to release any lock mechanism that may be preventing the ignition from engaging. Address immobilizer faults by first replacing the key fob battery and attempting a resync procedure if available. If the vehicle still displays security warnings, try a spare key and observe whether the dashboard security lamp behaves differently. When multiple keys fail, professional reprogramming or dealer diagnostics are often required to clear immobilizer codes and restore normal starting function to your Lincoln MKZ.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.